Welcome back to Kiddo Adventure Zone, the most exciting place where creativity meets imagination, and every drawing turns into a heroic adventure filled with colors, laughter, and fun surprises waiting on every page. Today, we're joining our favorite nighttime superheroes, the incredible PJ Masks, Gekko, Catboy, and Owlette, as they leap, run, and fly across the skies to save the day in the most colorful way possible. Each of these brave heroes has something that makes them truly special. Gekko with his super strength, Catboy with his lightning speed, and Owlette with her amazing flying powers and sharp eyesight. So grab your pencils, markers, and lots of imagination, because we're about to dive into a fun-filled drawing adventure that will bring the whole PJ Masks team to life step by step right here on Kiddo Adventure Zone. I start by carefully sketching Gekko's round, cheerful face, giving him a wide smile full of courage and kindness, and adding his big eyes that sparkle with confidence and energy. Next, I draw his strong little body wrapped in his superhero suit, stretching his arms and legs as if he's about to leap forward to help his team save the day. I begin coloring Gekko's suit with a bright, lively green, filling every corner with a bold shade that captures his strong and adventurous personality. Next, I layer lighter green tones across his chest, arms, and tail to give his costume more texture and depth, making him look shiny and full of superhero energy. Finally, I finish with darker green shades around his gloves, boots, and crest, completing Gekko's cool and confident look, ready to use his super lizard grip and join the team. I begin by drawing Catboy's head and his signature cat mask, carefully sketching the pointy ears and the bold eyes that show how fast and focused this superhero really is. Next, I outline his body stretched in a dynamic flying pose, with his arms reaching forward and his legs pushing back as if he's running faster than the wind itself. Then, I add the lightning bolt patterns on his costume, tracing each line carefully to show the speed and energy that make Catboy the fastest of them all. Next, I color the lighter blue stripes that run across his arms, legs, and mask, creating the perfect lightning effect that shows off his super speed. Then, I color his face with a soft peach tone, giving him a warm and friendly expression, while his white eyes make him look alert and ready to go. coloring Catboy's suit in a bold deep blue, filling in every part smoothly to make his heroic costume stand out against the page. Finally, I add dark blue shading to his tail, gloves, and boots, completing Catboy's look so he appears fast, powerful, and ready to lead his friends on their next nighttime mission. I begin by sketching Owlette's face with her confident eyes and her pointed mask, shaping her calm but determined expression that shows she's always ready to take flight. Next, I outline her arms spread wide like wings, capturing the feeling of motion and freedom as she soars through the air with her amazing flying powers. Then, I carefully draw her flowing cape with feather-like shapes that make it look as though it's fluttering gracefully behind her in the wind. Finally, I add the last details, the folds on her suit, her boots, and her wings, making Owlette look strong, graceful, and full of heroic energy. Next, I add softer pink highlights along her cape and wing edges to give her feathers more dimension and make her look vibrant and full of motion. I start by filling her entire suit and wings with a bright, fiery red that shines with power and confidence, showing her courage and energy. Finally, I finish with darker red shading across her outfit and light pink sparkles on her wings, completing Owlette so she looks ready to soar into the sky and lead her friends with style and strength. And there we have it. Our amazing PJ Masks heroes are all drawn and colored beautifully. Gekko, Catboy, and Owlette, each one bursting with life, color, and superhero power. Every detail we added makes them look like they've jumped right out of the TV screen and onto our page, ready for another adventure under the moonlight. Thank you for joining us here on Kiddo Adventure Zone, where art and imagination come together to create endless fun, color, and creativity for young heroes like you. So don't forget to like this video, share it with your superhero friends, and subscribe for more awesome adventures, because at Kiddo Adventure Zone, every day is a new mission full of art, color, and imagination.